ਹੈਲੋ ਫਰੈਂਡਸ, ਸਤਿ ਸ਼੍ਰੀ ਅਕਾਲ, ਨਮਸਕਾਰ, ਸਲਾਮ। ਹੋਰ ਕੀ ਹਾਲ ਚਾਲ ਨੇ ਫਰੈਂਡਸ? ਅੱਜ ਦਾ ਆਪਣਾ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਇਹ ਹਿਸਟਰੀ ਤੇ ਹੈ। ਬਹੁਤ ਸਾਰੇ ਸਟੂਡੈਂਟਸ ਐਸਪੀਰੈਂਟਸ ਦਾ ਮੈਸੇਜ ਆਏ, ਫੋਨ ਆਇਆ ਕਿ ਸਰ ਹਿਸਟਰੀ ਵੀ ਸਟਾਰਟ ਕਰੋ। ਸੋ ਟੁਡੇ ਵੀ ਆਰ ਸਟਾਰਟਿੰਗ ਹਿਸਟਰੀ, एंशिएंट इंडियन हिस्ट्री। The first important topic is Indus Valley Civilization. Indus Valley Civilization is the first and the important urban civilization in the ancient Indian history. The earlier traces of Indus Valley Civilization can be found in Mehergarh, Pakistan, approximately 7000 BC ago. VC means before Christ, before the birth of Christ. So 7000 BC, the evidences of Indus Valley civilization have been found from Mehergarh, Pakistan. Indus Valley civilization was a very important urban civilization of Bronze Age in civilization. This civilization, according to different historians, flourished in the northwest India during 3300 BC to 1300 BC or 2600 BC to approximately 1900 BC. And the most important and peak time of this civilization was between 2550 BC to 1500 BC or 1350 BC in northwest of India. The most important thing that it was the urban civilization. There were some features in this civilization which declares it as a urban civilization. These features of Indus Valley civilization are as follow. Number one, the people of Indus Valley civilization, Sindhu Kati de log, they live in the houses of burnt bricks. Imagine, approximately 2500 BC ago, we live in a houses of burnt bricks. ਪੱਕੀਆਂ ਇੱਟਾਂ ਦੇ ਮਕਾਨ ਵਿੱਚ ਆਪਾਂ ਰਹਿੰਦੇ ਸੀ ਜਦੋਂ ਵਰਲਡ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਲੋਕ ਇੱਧਰ ਉੱਧਰ ਘੁੰਮਦੇ ਫਿਰਦੇ ਸੀ। ਸੋ ਦ ਫਸਟ ਐਂਡ ਦ ਇੰਪੋਰਟੈਂਟ ਫੀਚਰ ਆਫ ਦਿਸ Indus Valley civilization was that the people of Indus Valley civilization were lived in a burnt brick houses. There was a good and organized drainage system in the cities of Indus Valley civilization. There was also a provision of water supply in Indus Valley civilization. The windows of the houses were opened outside. The houses were airy. The people of Indus Valley civilization was very known for their personal hygiene and cleanliness. There was a profession of forging metals. There was also industry of cotton, wooden and textiles. Indus Valley civilization is also famous for development of domestic architectures. If you study in details, you will come to know that the architecture style of Indus Valley civilization was indigenous and domestic. There was a language of Indus Valley civilization. The people knew Proto-Dravidian pictographic language. Proto-Dravidian pictographic language. But unfortunately, we have not deciphered the language of Indus Valley civilization. There was a provision of great granary at Mohenjo-daro, one of the largest settlement of Indus Valley civilization. It shows that there was a food security for the people of Indus Valley civilization. There was also a shipbuilding factory at Lothal, shows the industrial skill of the people of Indus Valley civilization. There were many main cities of Indus Valley civilization like Harappa, Mohenjo-daro, Lothal, Rakhigadi, Ropad, Kalibangana. The most important cities are, number one is Harappa. Harappa was excavated by R.D. Banerjee in 1922 as a official of Archaeological Survey of India. Harappa was a organized and regular layout of Indus Valley civilization cities. Harappa was at the river Ravi. It was one of the main city of Indus Valley civilization. If you see the main cities, the main settlements, the main layouts of people of Indus Valley civilization, they are near the water, near the rivers. Second, Mohenjo-daro. Mohenjo-daro means, literally means mound of deaths. This was the largest settlement of Indus Valley civilization. It was the urban planned city. Mohenjo-daro was the main business center of Indus Valley civilization. There was a great granary. The city has a city walls. There was also a great hammam. Shows that people took bath on a special occasions in this great hammam. There was a provision to defend the city against floods. Mother goddess was found from Mohenjo-daro. A statue of dancing girl was also found by John Marshall from Mohenjo-daro. Some seals were also found from Mohenjo-daro with the pictures. So Indus Valley civilization, the Mohenjo-daro was the main business center, the largest settlement. Third important city was Rakhigadi. Rakhigadi is in Hisar. It is on the bank of river Kakar. This was excavated in 1997. Symmetry of bricks, graves covered with bricks were found from Rakhigadi. There were also many important main cities like Ropad, Lothal, Kalibangana. Now, what are the reasons of decline of Indus Valley civilization is important. There are many theories for the decline of Indus Valley civilization. Number one is attack by the Aryans. Aryans from somewhere, Central Asia, or from somewhere from the other world, you can say, attacked the people of Indus Valley civilization, and Indus Valley civilization declined. Mohenjo-daro, mound of deaths, many dead skeletons of dead bodies were found from Mohenjo-daro at one place, buried. Shows that there was a mass killing of these peoples. Second reason is the floods. As you see, these settlements were near the rivers. Floods come and Indus Valley civilization declined. Some people from the northwest India, they run towards the southern India, towards the South India. They are called Dravidian peoples. Third reason can be epidemic. There must be some epidemic spread, and this Indus Valley civilization declined. So these were the reasons of decline of Indus Valley civilization. So friends, Indus Valley civilization was the Bronze Age civilization. It was the urban, well planned cities were there. It was the urban civilization. It has a language. So you think the people of India lived in a burnt brick houses during Indus Valley civilization, approximately 2550 BC to 1500 BC was the main time when this civilization flourished. Thank you friends. अगर वीडियो अच्छा लगे तो लाइक करो, मैनू मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल प्रोफैसर कोमल सिंह ते ਨੂੰ ਸਬਸਕ੍ਰਾਈਬ ਕਰੋ ਤੇ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਇੰਸਟਾਗ੍ਰਾਮ ਤੇ professor_कोमल सिंह फॉलो करो। सत श्री अकाल, नमस्कार, सलाम।